Hey, I'm Stefan from Empire, and here's what to expect when you get your new Schechtl folder delivered to your place from Empire Machinery. There are three primary things that you'll need to be aware of when it arrives on the truck. The first thing is that the machine is going to be under a covered trailer, and it's going to be wrapped in see-through blue saran wrap, so you'll be able to inspect the machine still while it's on the truck for any damages, anything related to shipping that we should be aware of. So please go up there, inspect the machine before the rigging company comes and takes it off or you unload it off the truck. The second thing is there are two primary ways of lifting this machine. We recommend hiring a machine moving company. It's an expensive asset for your company. Hiring them is good insurance. By doing that, they can lift with lifting straps. There are 2 points that are used for lifting. In this pocket around the lift upper clamping beam, you put a lifting strap around there and one on the other end, and that's where the crane or zoom boom can now pick up the machine from those points. It can, however, be also lifted by forklift through this center pocket. This is listed in a diagram in the pre-install guide, as well here posted on this binder where the manual is. But yeah, lifting safely is really important. You may have to put it on skates to roll it into your building. That's where using lifting straps around the end of here will keep it safe, prevent it from tipping over. The third thing is when it's in your building, you can do a sort of a secondary inspection, take the wrap off. We pre-grease as much as we can on the machine, any of the metal components. You can wipe all that down. If the weather has been cold, as it is in Canada regularly, you're going to want to wipe down any condensation that might be forming in your warm shop, or that may have happened on the road, depending on where it's going to. If it's coming from Winnipeg here, it's often very cold. When it arrives, it may have warmed up. So wipe down the machine. There's lots of points where we have greased ahead of time and sprayed with spray, so it should be all good when it arrives. The last thing is a little bonus item. There's a second skid of back gauge panels that you'll want to take off the truck. That is for your machine as well. Those can be unloaded and set near the machine for our technician to come and help you install and get calibrated set properly on the back of the machine when it arrives. Those are the main things to be concerned about or pay attention to when your machine arrives at your place on the truck. The foot pedal's in here, manual. There's some other hardware related to bolting the machine down, and your second set of folding tools are strapped to the bottom of the machine. Thanks for trusting us with your purchase of a new Schechtl machine. I'm Stefan from Empire Machinery. Give us a call if you have any questions.